Hey guys, welcome to Chai time. Today we are going to see mushroom biryani recipe. For that, first we are going to cut ginger and garlic into small pieces and grind them well. With this ginger garlic paste, we are going to add few mint leaves and coriander leaves with 4 to 5 green chilies and grind them. Now we are going to take few fresh mushrooms and clean them with fresh water. After cleaning them, keep them aside. Now take a pan or a cooker and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heated up, it's the time to add garam spices. Now I am going to add 1 star anise, 6 to 7 cloves, 2 elaki or cardamom, 2 cinnamons, few fennel seeds and few bay leaves. Now fry these garam spices in the oil until you see a good aroma with these. Now after you get a good aroma, add chopped onion and 1 slitted green chili for the spiciness to get. Once the onion and this chili and this garam spices get mixed up well, now take 3 to 4 spoons of the grinded paste and put into the mixture. Now you are supposed to fry this until the raw smell of these grinded masalas vanishes off. Once it gets fried, now add few tomatoes. That is, I have taken 2 tomatoes and sliced them. Now you have to cook it or fry it until the tomatoes get cooked well. Once the tomatoes are cooked well, it's the time to add spices. I am going to add 1 spoon of red chili powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder and mix them well. Now add salt as per your taste. And mix them well. Now add a spoon of biryani masala. If you don't have biryani masala, you can add 1 spoon of garam masala. And for getting the freshness to the recipe, I am adding few mint leaves and coriander leaves and mix them well in this fry. Now put the washed mushrooms into this mix and mix them well until you feel the mushroom is half cooked. In this time, add a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder and add few curry leaves for a good fragrance, which should be raw curry leaf. See, I can feel now the gravy texture of the mix where you are getting a good aroma, and make sure this mushroom is half cooked. See, I can see the mushrooms are already half cooked. So it's now the time to add rice. So I have kept 2 cups of rice which is soaked in water for some half an hour. Now I am going to add these 2 cups of rice to this mix, and for 2 cups of rice I am going to add 3.5 cup of water. Now I am going to mix this rice with this masala so that the masala gets to all the rice before it get cooked. Now add 3.5 cup of water and mix them well. When you feel it's getting boiled, See, now it's been boiled. In this time, put the pressure cooker lid and close it off. And make sure you leave 2 whistles. Once you get 2 whistles, you can open up the cooker and see a fresh aromatic mushroom biryani which is ready to serve. Serve it, have an happy food, and please like, share and subscribe and comment if you really like this recipe. Thanks for watching.